Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get rid of the Pinterest quick saves. So let's go ahead and start the video. Let's suppose you save this pin over here. If you do this, it will be saved, or if you go to the photo and click save, you can choose the save option. So if you want to quick save it, just go ahead and do this, or else you can see the save option. If you click on save and click on any of these, it will be saved to a board. Now I'm going to teach you how you can get rid of it. You can just go to your saved icon over here and select one of the photos which you had just pinned. So I'm going to see this is the one. I'm going to go ahead and select this pin. You can see it is saved. You can create a new board yourself and make sure that it is entitled. Go ahead and click on create and it will be created. Now if you want to get rid of the quick saves, all you need to do is go to this Pinterest home icon, tap on it, click pin, which is over here, and you can see this is the board which is created. Just go ahead and tap on it, and now you have got rid of the quick saves. But if you really want to delete some of the pins and unsave it, you can go there individually, click on the three dots, go to edit pin, and you can see delete this pin option on the bottom. Tap on it, click delete, and this pin has been deleted. I'm going to show it to you once again. Tap on the pin. After you tap on the pin, go ahead and tap on the three dots, go to edit pin, click on delete this pin, click delete once again, and there you go. This is how you can unsave the pin and how you can get rid of the Pinterest quick saves. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.